Hey everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how I make $2,000 per month pinning a few hours a week on Pinterest. If you're not familiar with Pinterest, it's a social media platform where people can share and discover ideas. It's a great place to find inspiration for recipes, DIY projects, fashion, and more. I started using Pinterest a few years ago, and I quickly fell in love with it. I love that it's a visual platform, and that it's so easy to find new ideas. I also love that it's a great way to connect with other people who share my interests. One day, I realized that I could use Pinterest to make money. I started pinning affiliate links to my pins, and I was surprised to see how quickly the sales started coming in. Now, I make $2,000 per month pinning a few hours a week on Pinterest. It's a great way to make extra money, and it's also a lot of fun. How to make money on Pinterest. There are a few different ways to make money on Pinterest. The most common way is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services, and you earn a commission on any sales that you generate. To get started with affiliate marketing on Pinterest, you need to join an affiliate program. There are many different affiliate programs available, so you can choose one that fits your niche. Once you've joined an affiliate program, you can start pinning affiliate links to your pins. Be sure to include a clear and concise description of the product or service that you're promoting, and why you think your followers would be interested in it. Another way to make money on Pinterest is through sponsored content. Sponsored content is when a brand pays you to create pins about their product or service. To get started with sponsored content, you need to build up a following on Pinterest. Once you have a following, you can start reaching out to brands and offering to create sponsored content for them. Finally, you can also make money on Pinterest by selling your own products or services. If you have a blog, you can pin links to your blog posts. If you have a Shopify store, you can pin links to your products. How to grow your Pinterest following. The most important thing to do when you're trying to make money on Pinterest is to grow your following. The more followers you have, the more people will see your pins, and the more sales you'll generate. Here are a few tips for growing your Pinterest following. 1. Create high-quality pins. Your pins should be visually appealing and informative. 2. Use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions. This will help people find your pins when they search for those keywords. 3. Join group boards. Group boards are a great way to get your pins seen by more people. 4. Promote your Pinterest account on other social media platforms. How much money can you make on Pinterest? The amount of money you can make on Pinterest depends on a number of factors, including your niche, your following size, and the type of monetization strategy you use. Some people are able to make a full-time income from Pinterest, while others only make a few $100s per month. It's all about finding what works best for you and your niche. Tips for success. Here are a few tips for success on Pinterest. 1. Be consistent. Pin new pins on a regular basis. 2. Be patient. It takes time to grow a following and start making money on Pinterest. 3. Don't give up. Even if you don't see results immediately, keep pinning and promoting your account. Pinterest is a great platform for making money online. It's easy to get started, and you can make a lot of money with a relatively small following. If you're interested in making money on Pinterest, I encourage you to give it a try. You may be surprised at how successful you can be.